Woo! I know everybody else is excited about 2.6 as I am, so try to contain yourself, or if you can't, then I will not contain myself. So here we're going to be doing 2.6 rational functions and asymptotes. Your objectives for this lesson is finding your domains of rational functions. We're also going to find vertical and horizontal asymptotes of graphs of the functions, and then we're also going to use these functions to model and solve real-life problems. The glory days. Here for, okay, first off, what is a rational function? A rational function can be written in your form of f of x is equal to n of x divided by d of x, where n of x is your polynomial in your numerator. Hey, that makes sense. I actually used some letters that made sense. N of x is in your polynomial in the numerator, and d of x, not dmx, but d of x is your polynomial in the denominator. All right, so in general, basically anytime you have to find your domain, that's going to be all values of x. Okay, your domain is going to be all real numbers except x values that make your denominator equal to 0. So what we're going to have to do is, for our first example, is you need to figure out, we need to find our domain and discuss the behavior of f near any excluded x value. So what you do is you take your denominator, and we're going to say, well, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we add x to both sides, we're going to say x is equal to 1. So for your domain, should I write that there? So for your domain, you're going to say all real numbers. This is like a double stick R, which is just an abbreviation for all real numbers, except x cannot be equal to 1. So that's how you find your domain. Pretty tricky, I know.